In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add take profit and stop loss orders on BingX. Knowing how to set these tools is essential whether you are trading futures or spot, as they help you manage risk and protect your capital. Let's start with futures trading, where you actually have two opportunities to set your TP and SL. The first is when you are opening a new position. After entering your trade details as usual, look for the TPL option before confirming the order. By checking this box, you can set your take profit and stop loss right from the beginning. You will need to enter a trigger price, which is the price level where your TP or SL will activate. After that, you can choose how the order executes once triggered, either as a market order or a limit order, depending on your preference. Now, if you already have an open position and haven't set TP or SL yet, don't worry. Go to the Position tab in the Futures section and find the trade you want to manage. Click on the TP/SL option next to it. From here, you can enable take profit or stop loss and set them based on a specific price level or even a profit and loss ratio. You also have the option to set partial TP or partial SL, which lets you close only a percentage of your position at different price targets. Once everything is set, simply confirm to save your changes. Switching to spot trading, the process is slightly different but still simple. Go to the spot trading page and select your trading pair. Choose whether you want to buy or sell, depending on your strategy. In the order type section, select the TP/SL option. Just like in futures, you will enter a trigger price along with the amount for your take profit and stop loss levels. You can also choose between market or limit execution once the trigger price is reached. After confirming the details, your TP and SL orders will be active. One important thing to remember is that in futures trading, setting a take profit or stop loss will freeze the corresponding margin until the order is triggered. However, you can always modify or cancel these settings at any time from the position page. This gives you full flexibility to adjust your strategy based on changing market conditions. And that's it, a simple and effective way to use take profit and stop loss on BingX to improve your risk management and make smarter trading decisions.